Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. How to remove or add developer tools in Microsoft Edge. On today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add or remove a developer tools in your Microsoft Edge. So the first thing you need to do is very useful when you don't want your system to be changed or you accidentally click F12 and just like on this one, open here and you're here at your developers tool, and or maybe you just don't want anybody messing with your Microsoft Edge, making a prank of you. So this is how you remove your Microsoft Edge developer tool. So the first thing you need to do is open up your Microsoft Edge and click on the three dots on the top right. After clicking on that, click on settings. Once you're here at settings, go down to accessibility. After clicking on accessibility right here, you scroll down until you see this. Use F12 to open the developer tool. So to close this, just click here, click on that, and there you go. Once you click F12, the developer tool will no longer show. There you go. So here's a little tip if you want. So when you click on this one, open it up, and here's a little tip when you're gonna use the developer tool. When you click F12, please click on this box right here and make it a check. So you won't have to ask. So the Microsoft Edge won't have to ask you over and over again. Then click Open Dev Tools. Then close it. Then once I click F12, it will not ask me. It will just automatically open. So yeah, I hope you guys like the video and hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.